This thing is crazy, gross, and satisfying at the same time. Hi, my name is Deepika, and today I'm going to be reviewing this vacuum blackhead remover. It removes blackheads, whiteheads, exfoliates your skin, and helps with oiliness, dirt, etc. Just removes it. It also has a built-in camera which magnifies 20 times, and you can actually see your pores, blackheads, whiteheads, and all of that gunk coming out of your skin. It's really crazy. I'm going to be showing you that later on. Before I start reviewing this, I just want to state that I'm not a doctor, I'm not a professional, I'm just a consumer who bought this and just reviewing it, giving you. But first, let's talk about what comes with it. So this is the head that it comes with. It has an HD camera which enlarges the skin 20 times so you can clearly see your blackheads, whiteheads coming out. The whole removal process, it is pretty crazy. It also has an app that you download that you connect. I will show you that later as well, the whole process. And basically you can see the camera on the app, and it also records it for you. You can take pictures if you want and just basically see the whole thing. It's pretty satisfying. It has these 8 LED lights, so even if you use it in the dark, you can clearly see your pores in the camera, which is nice because sometimes you might be doing it at nighttime and not in bright light. There's actually 3 modes to this. There's a gentle mode, which is for dry, sensitive skin and for blackhead and pimples. Then there is the standard mode, which is for neutral skin and deep dirt removal. Then there is the powerful mode, which is for deep blackheads, acne, and for oily skin, basically. I'm gonna show you the heads it comes with. It basically comes with 6 different heads, and in the pamphlet it shows you what each one is good for. I actually use the small elliptical clip, which is this one, and that is more for blackheads around your nose. I also use the large section one, which is suitable for T-zone blackheads. Then there is a large elliptical, which is also suitable for T-zone blackheads. Then there's a middle one, which is more for secretion of blackheads, oils, and acne. The microcrystal tip, which is suitable for exfoliating dead skin. It also came with blackhead removal tools, which was okay. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how I went ahead and removed the blackheads. First, I'm going to steam my face. And the way I steam my face, I don't use a fancy steamer or anything of that sort. I just boil water on the stove and I take a towel, put it over my face, and let it steam. And I feel like that's the best steam I get. So that's how I do it. I did that for about 5 minutes, and then I went ahead and tried to remove my blackheads. Okay, so my face is steamed, and so now what I'm going to do is I am going to connect to the app, which I have to do it through Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn this on. So that's how the app looks like. And it's connected to the Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to home. And what's pretty interesting is that, that you can also record what you see. So that's pretty cool too. And here I'm going to go ahead and hit record. And I'm going to just show you how it looks. It's just pretty crazy. So there's 3 different modes. It has a soft mode, a standard mode, and a strong mode. I'm gonna just stick to the soft mode. So my esthetician must have done a really good job because I see nothing coming out, even though after steaming. Okay, I see a little bit. So this recording is from another day, but just to give you an idea, this is how clogged my pores were, and you can see all that gunk coming out. When you're using this tool, you want to make sure you keep gliding it because it can damage your skin if you stay at a particular spot for too long. It can also cause bruising. I really like this at-home device. It's just so convenient to have something at home to remove your clogged pores, your blackheads, whiteheads, and sebaceous filaments in between facials. Not to mention, this HD camera is amazing. I like how I can see everything and make sure it's clear. I hope this video helped you decide if this tool is the right solution for you for your blackheads. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Also comment below what you thought of this